Hello world, Monica here. Today I'd like to share with you how to bake stuffed tomato. I got a big tomato. This is my first time seeing such a big tomato. And for the other ingredients, we need cauliflower, portobello mushroom, egg, firm tofu, yellow onion, and of course one big tomato. But if you don't have big tomato, it doesn't matter. You can use normal tomatoes, but the best is you choose the round one. So maybe you can use 2 to 3 tomatoes. And for the other ingredients, dried basil leaves, white pepper powder, coarse mixed pepper, chili flakes, turmeric powder, salt, olive oil, and soy sauce. Alright, let's start our cooking. I got this tomato a couple days ago. I will keep some of the young leaves. And for the flour, we only need about 2 pieces. I could not find organic cauliflower, so I need to do a proper wash. And I usually use vinegar and salt to soak non-organic vegetables after first rinse. Let them soak for about 10 minutes. And for tofu, I only need 100 grams. Cut cubes about ½ centimeter thick. I need only half of onion. Peel off the skin, but I normally do not use the first layer. Dice into cubes too, but no need as small as tofu. And for portobello mushroom, 1 piece is enough. Scoop out the black part with spoon. You can use its trunk if you like it. Cut cubes too, around 1 centimeter thick. Now we can rinse the cauliflower. I usually rinse twice after soaking. You know guys, I'm quite particular in cleaning vegetables. I can hardly trust others for this cleansing part, unless I close my eyes. So, for cauliflower, just chop them randomly about the size of onions. And now, we have come to the most important part. Let me show you how to scoop out the seeds of this tomato. Slice the top part about 1½ centimeter thick, because we don't want to cut off the green handle and cause a hole on it. And you need a sharp knife. Slice the edges using the end of knife, and then cut cross for 4 times so that it'll be easier to scoop them out later. And be careful not to cut through the wall of the tomato. I need to be extra careful because I don't have the replacement anymore. Like this. Keep this for other food. The leaves too are useful. Here are the cut ingredients. Show you again the inside. Let's move to the next stage. Wrapping tomato. I like to use aluminum foil. It's easier to do it. Just fold it following the shape. Aluminum foil is easy to shape as we like. Just fold it, no problem. This crumpled wrapper is created to be crumpy. Here it is, tomato wearing crumpled clothes. Alright, time to heat up frying pan. At medium-high heat, let's pour in a tablespoon of olive oil. It's about 10 to 15 milliliter. Drop down the onions. Just stir fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes till the color changes to shiny and transparent. I need to switch on my chimney hood. Cauliflower. Do the same. Some saute, about 1 to 2 minutes too. And now drop the mushrooms. About 1 minute stir fry. Finally, tofu. Just stir fry for about 1 minute. Let's put some salt, about half teaspoon. Mix them well. Soya sauce, about a tablespoon, because I cook daily, so I know the rough measurement. If you are a beginner, maybe you need to measure every ingredient. And for turmeric, just a teaspoon is enough. Same with chili flakes, a teaspoon too. And half a teaspoon for basil leaves. Do some saute again. Sprinkle some coarse pepper, some white pepper, let me switch off my chimney hood and the stove. Here it is. I have preheated my oven for 5 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. We can start to stuff the tomato. Give a light pressure to push down the fillings and fill up some hollow spaces inside. If you are allergic to egg or you are a vegan, you may use vegan cheese. Top the egg the last. If you don't like the white egg, you can just put the yolk. Cover it back. Prepare a baking tray and let it bake for about 30 minutes. It is spring now. There is a long stream. The birds chirping. It is not the sun effects, you know. It is nearby our residence. Ho ho ho, it's done. Smells so good. Wow. I love pepper. If you don't like, you may skip them. White pepper is more floral and earthy. Let's try it before it goes chill. Oh my. Okay, today we have learned how to bake stuffed tomato. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my cooking, and if you do, please give thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you have not done subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and do not forget to switch on the notification bell below so that you'll not miss any episode from my cooking. See you again!